say about the time I had to go and break down, or take down, I should say, this coven and this warlock, right? So he's a narcissist. So I basically had to act like I liked him or whatever to let him fulfill his mission in trying to take me down, right? Like he was walking around with a Bible, and this was in Pennsylvania. So he was walking around the Bible, and I had my daughter, I had just had her or whatever, and he was in a shelter, and he was telling me all this stories, trying to relate to me, trying to act like we could trauma bond. But at the time, honey, I had already gone through my dark night of soul, so I don't trauma bond with anybody because I know the consequences, you understand? So an empath and a narcissist, it doesn't ever work. That's why we have to take them down, because we got to show them that they are weak. Okay, we got to take the veil away. So he basically stole money from me. You know them checks that y'all used to get? He stole money to buy himself a BMW, like the same like me. It was pathetic, but I took him to court, and honey, I got the hell up out of Dodge. So I just played the same game that he thought he was playing on me, and honey, it ain't never gonna work, because you cannot defeat an empath. Hello, y'all. Protect your energy. So I basically had to play the same game that he was trying to play on me, and trying to love bomb me and trying to tell me he loved me and all this. You can't love me in a week or 2 weeks. And I was just going along with it. Oh, I love you too. Oh yeah, please. That's retarded. Nobody loves nobody in a week or 2. Stop it. And why are you trying to go after a mother and her child? Like, why are you trying to steal money from her? You know them checks that I was getting? We was all getting. I never got one single check because he was going to my mailbox. But now karma hitting that behind, right? You don't have no car, you don't have no money, and you're broke, and you're back in the shelter. Stop it.